So it's actually quite difficult to estimate with any level of accuracy the distribution of different land use types globally. But if you think about it just as a rule of thumb, and useful way of thinking about it is approximately 1/3 of the terrestrial surface is used for agriculture. In practice, it's probably a little bit more than that, but approximately 1/3. About 1/3 is also covered in forest land, and 1/3 is the remainder, which can be basically urban areas. It could be snow and ice and tundra and rock and a whole range of different types of land covers. So in practice, that sort of 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 rule is quite reasonable to think about. In reality, agriculture may be nearer to about 38%, and probably the other land use category nearer to about 30%. That just gives you something to think about. In terms of sustainability, clearly there's a number of issues there related to that. So as people are aware, forest cover is really important in terms of carbon storage, which is important for feedbacks to the global climate system and climate change type issues. So the less forest we have, which is usually cut down at the expense of the expansion of agricultural land, then the less carbon stocks we tend to have. Agriculture obviously is vital in terms of providing food for the global population, but it also has a number of sustainability related issues linked to pollution sources, for example, will be one major issue, and degradation of habitat, loss of habitat and ecosystems, and reductions in biodiversity. So a number of issues surrounding the agriculture sector.